If you're looking at building a new commercial or industrial building and that building needs a second level, whether it's for offices or whether it's for plant, two solutions are typically considered. That's either CLT or Cross Laminated Timber, or the other one is a concrete floor system, sometimes known as ComFlor. Differences between the two is CLT is literally Cross Laminated Timber, so it's built up with a different section of timber which are layered in different directions to build up to the thickness. And concrete or ComFlor is constructed by laying down a preformed steel tray, boxing it up and then pouring the floor on top. So both have their pros and cons. Concrete's really good because it's got a finished surface. You can grind it or polish it, or if it's for a plant type area, it doesn't need much extra finishing to give a really durable finish. Timber, the CLT, because it is pine, it is a softer top, so it would need to be covered in carpet or tiles or vinyl or whatever the floor finish of your preference is. Visually, both can be least exposed underneath. Both have can achieve the same level of fire ratings required. But some people do quite like the visual look of timber from below to sort of break up the contrast between other steel and concrete materials. In terms of costs, they are comparable. Concrete can have an edge in some areas, especially if you've got larger distance to transport your CLT from the manufacturing plant. But there are wins that you do get through the Cross Laminated Timber program. For example, with the Cross Laminated Timber, it comes in full length, so some of these can be up to 14 or 15 metres long and sort of 2.4 metres wide, so they're just lifted straight into place, screwed in from underneath, and then framing can start straight away on top. For your concrete floor, there's a bit more of a process. You've got to lay down your tray, fix all that down, lay down your mesh, create your boxing, pour it, and then wait for the concrete to cure before you can carry on for the next process. So all the wash-up costs are comparable, but we are seeing an edge on some projects with CLT depending on the location. So like anything, there's pros and cons, and it depends on what your preferences are as to what suits you.